Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. How are you all doing? In today's video, I just want to show you very briefly how I take out sand from my kids' hair. My 4 years old daughter just came out from nursery school this afternoon and her hair is all full of sand. So the first thing I'm going to do before I take out this sand from her hair, I'll cut off the rubber band, and it's very easy to take it out with the scissors because it helps to protect the hair from breakage. And before I continue, I want to just let you all know that it's very important to take out the sand as fast as possible because it helps to dry out the hair, and once the hair is dry, then it becomes brittle and easily break. So she just came back this afternoon. So the first thing I do after taking out the rubber band, I brush the hair. You can either brush it or you just shake off the sand from it very well. Then once you are sure it is out, then you can go ahead and wash the hair. So I'm just going to shake off the sand or brush it very well, very carefully, and then I'll wash her hair. I couldn't show you everything or how I wash the hair to the end because my daughter don't like washing her hair, so it was a battle between me and her washing the hair. I will just continue brushing her hair because I can see the sand is not really out, so I will make sure I brush it, and once it is done, then I will start making a new hairstyle for her. As you can see, I'm making her this new hairstyle, and I'm very certain now that the hair is clean. It's very clean. And if you have watched up to this extent, thank you. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and leave your comment in the comment section. I would love to read from you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all guys in my next video. Bye bye.